Hi friends, happy Thursday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, you will need your Fly High Butterfly activity sheet and a box of crayons. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right friends, welcome back. Today we're going to work on some more adding. That's right. So our learning target today says I can add using pictures. So on our activity sheet, we know we're adding because we have our addition symbol in each sentence. And we see that we have addition sentences because there's an addition symbol or a plus sign and an equal sign. Okay, so we are going to work on the first problem of our activity sheet together, and I'll show you what to do in just a moment. But before we get started, let's go over what adding is and some of our skill review practice. So let's wake up our singing voices, la 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 la, and let's sing our adding song. Ready? On the count of 3. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Adding means putting groups together. Adding means putting groups together. Adding means putting groups together to make them bigger than before. When we add, our number gets bigger, except when we add with 0, then our number stays the same. So we are going to practice some addition fluency. Remember, when we're working on fluency, that means that we're practicing training our brains to know, ooh, as soon as I see that sentence, I know the answer or the sum. So I should be able to go through these and say 3, 0, 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1. Upside down. 3, 4, 5. Okay? But until we're up to that point, we're going to continue practicing saying our whole sentence with the sum, the answer. Okay? So let's read an answer. Here we go. 2 add 3 equals 5. 3 add 0 equals 3. 0 add 0 equals 0. 4 add 0 equals 4. Good job. All right. Now, let's go through our numbers. All we're going to do is say their name. Ready? Here we go. 1, 3, 2, 18, 17, 13, 9, 6, 4, 14, 11, 8, 12, 10, 19, 20, 15, 5, 7, 16. Very good job. Now let's practice some counting because the last 2 days we didn't get to that part. So we're going to practice counting to a number and then I'm going to tell us to stop and we're going to wiki reverse it. Okay? So let's count. We're going to start out by throwing some, let's call these little love taps. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sprinkler, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reach for the stars. 21, 22, 23, stop. Now we're gonna wiki rewind. So we just counted all the way to 23, making our number bigger. Now we're gonna count backwards from 23 and make our number smaller. So let's rewind and count backwards. Ready? Here we go. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whoop, whoop. All right, give yourselves a roller coaster cheer. Click, click, click. Oh, woo. Excellent job. Kiss your brain and say, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Very good job. All righty, so let's take a look at our activity sheet for today. Our directions tell us to add the numbers together to see how many butterflies escape the net. Then we're going to color the sum of the butterflies that escape. So let's read each of our addition sentences so you know what each of them are, and then you are going to do the rest on your own, and we'll practice the first one together. So let's read. Here we go. 3 add 2 equals blank. 1 add 2 equals blank. 3 add 3 equals blank. 6 add 1 equals blank. 0 add 4 equals blank. Okay, so let's take a look. The first one says 3 add 2. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pick 2 different colored crayons for each problem. I'm going to use green and yellow. So when I use my 2 different crayons, I'm showing the 2 different groups. So I'm going to use green for my first group. How many am I going to color green? 3. So I'm going to color my first 3 butterflies green. 1, nice and neat, not scribbling across. 2, and 3. I need to make sure that when I am coloring a group, I use the same color for all the butterflies in that group. So if I'm coloring for my first group where there's 3 butterflies, I'm not going to do a rainbow of colors, okay? Just to show my 2 groups. Now I'm going to switch colors because now I'm doing my second group. How many are in the second group? 2. So 3 butterflies escape the net, and then 2 more do. How many butterflies all together escape? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together. I don't color the other 2. I don't need the other 2 because the other 2 are not part of either of the groups. So I just showed 3 add 2 equals 5 all together. You're going to do the same thing for the rest of your problems. Choose 1 color for your first group. You can even switch it up. So I use green and yellow for my first round. Now I might use purple and pink. So make sure to use 2 different colors for each problem, okay? Once you're finished with that, you are going to post that to your teacher's Google Classroom and enjoy the rest of your day. Tomorrow we'll work on our last adding activity sheet for this week, and then we'll keep moving and grooving. So keep up the great work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.